Remember my last video? I decided to try a twist out look again just to make sure I did not cancel it too soon. For those who don't yet know and also missed my accent, I am African from Cameroon, a country located right in the tropical zone, a very humid part of the world. This style looks so beautiful, but once you take Okada, it starts changing. The humidity literally acts as a steamer for your hair and makes it revert from the roots, making the curls expand. I see some people retwisting at night. I am the textbook definition of lazy natural. Me, I cannot. I can't be trying to retwist when I get home at 10 p.m. every day. This head tie is very popular in my videos because it is the largest one that I have. I just put it over my hair and tie it not too tight, then go to bed. You know I can't do without lip gloss. This is day 2. Take a look at this. I am already thinking about all the work I put in to get this look. Even so, I still moisturize my hair with this water, aloe vera juice, oil and conditioner mix. Not too much and from a good distance, just to make my hair acknowledge that water actually touched it. All that is left now is a smile and we are ready to go. At this point, I can't do any other thing but laugh at myself. The movement has reduced. We are getting closer to a fro. I am still impressed though. I thought it would look worse than this, so it's good. This crown area looks shorter than the rest of my hair, and I don't even know why. Do you also feel like some days your edges just look bad intentionally just to nail you? Do you feel that way too? I had been using castor oil on my edges for about 2 weeks now. I'm definitely going to share the results with you. I'm trying the 30-day thing, using castor oil every day for 30 days. I had hoped I would be able to wear my hair the same way I did for the first 2 days, but the crown area would not let me, so I just tied it up, put on a smile and moved on. This is the next day. My hair shrinks a little more by the day and I don't know how else to style it. I cannot want to grow my edges and keep tying my hair up this way. I must be breaking my hair somehow, so I don't think I'm doing twist out anytime soon again. That is all I have for you today. Things are definitely getting better soon. Take care. Bye.